Have you ever stopped to think that the humble onion might be one of the most important foods on your plate? This everyday bulb isn't just a flavor booster, it's packed with history, nutrition, health benefits, and surprising uses. In this video, we'll uncover the fascinating secrets of onions, from their ancient origins, nutritional power, and culinary versatility, to their financial importance and even their unique medicinal properties. By the end, you'll never look at an onion the same way again. Onions have been cultivated for over 5,000 years. Ancient Egyptians considered onions sacred, believing their spherical layers symbolized eternal life. They were used in religious rituals and even buried with pharaohs. Onions also appear in ancient Greek and Roman cuisine, valued for both taste and medicinal properties. They traveled across continents, eventually reaching the Americas in the 15th and 16th centuries. Today, the USA produces over 3 million tons of onions annually, with California, Washington, and Oregon being major producers. Onions have truly shaped human history, serving as food, medicine, and even a cultural symbol. Onions are small but mighty. A medium onion contains vitamin C, which boosts immunity and promotes collagen production, B6 which supports brain function, and minerals like potassium and manganese that regulate heart and muscle function. Onions also contain powerful antioxidants like quercetin, known to reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Studies show that including onions in your daily diet can help lower blood sugar, improve heart health, and even reduce cancer risk. Different onion varieties, red, white, and yellow, offer unique profiles of nutrients and antioxidants, giving you both flavor and health benefits. Onions are one of the most versatile ingredients in kitchens worldwide. You can sauté, caramelize, grill, roast, or eat them raw. Caramelized onions release natural sugars, perfect for enhancing soups, stews, and sauces. Raw onions add pungency to salads, sandwiches, and salsas. Americans love onion-based dishes like French onion soup, onion rings, grilled burgers, and pickled onions. Tip: store onions in a cool, dark place to keep them fresh longer. And here's a chef's secret: pairing onions with a pinch of salt while cooking helps release their natural sweetness faster. Onions are more than just food, they are functional medicine. They have natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, making them useful for minor cuts and skin inflammation in folk remedies. Onion juice is sometimes used to soothe earaches or colds. Eating onions regularly can help reduce blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation. Ancient civilizations used onions to treat coughs, headaches, and even fatigue. Modern science supports many of these claims, showing that compounds like sulfur and flavonoids in onions help fight free radicals and boost overall health. Onions are not only healthy, they're economical. One of the cheapest sources of nutrition, onions provide flavor and health benefits at low cost. They're a staple in every household, and bulk purchases can save families money. Globally, onions are a major agricultural commodity, and price fluctuations can affect grocery bills and even food inflation in some countries. Smart shoppers know that buying onions in season and storing them properly maximizes both nutrition and savings. Despite their benefits, onions aren't suitable for everyone. Raw onions can cause heartburn, bloating, or gas in sensitive individuals. Those with onion allergies must avoid them completely. Sprouted or green onions contain solanine, a mild toxin, so always discard them. Proper storage, cool, dark, dry, and ventilated, ensures freshness and prevents spoilage. Onions have fascinating uses beyond the kitchen. They can be used to make natural dyes, science experiments like growing onion roots in water, and even in art projects. In folklore, onions were believed to ward off evil spirits. Chefs have crafted onion jams, pickled onions, and even onion-based desserts. Truly, the humble onion is much more than a cooking ingredient, it's a symbol of history, science, and creativity. From flavoring our favorite dishes to promoting health, saving money, and inspiring creativity, onions are remarkable. Next time you chop, sauté, or caramelize an onion, remember all the hidden powers it brings to your life. Subscribe for more untold stories about everyday foods and their amazing secrets.